Hi everyone, we're going to do a walkthrough of ordering a business card. When you log into the University of Southern Maine, right on the homepage you'll see the business card. So let's click Buy Now to check out the template. All these fields are blank for the sake of speed. Let's check out something I've already filled out. So I'm going to my Save Jobs and open my business card. So you've got your name and titles, approximate character counts for each, phone numbers, phone labels. Not all these things are required, so if it doesn't apply to you, simply leave it blank. You got a couple drop-down menus here for campuses and TTY numbers, and the website is preloaded with usm.maine.edu, so all you need to type here is what would come after the slash. And if your department has an exceptionally long URL, please use the truncated version. Then, once you've got all your info updated, you're going to hit Update Preview. The site's going to spin for a minute. In the background, what it's doing is taking all that info you just typed and putting it together to create a high-res print-ready file. So it takes just a little bit. It's doing quite a lot of work in the background. And then when that finished generating, you want to come up here and click PDF Proof. This will download a full-size PDF proof with a watermark that we can then review. So this Franklin Printing watermark will always show up on your PDF proofs, but it will not print, so don't worry about that watermark. But just check your spelling, make sure your phone numbers are correct, just make sure everything looks good. Thoroughly check your PDF proof. Then when you're done with that, you want to make sure your job has a good name. Don't just call it USM Business Card. Say who it's for and maybe give a date, something descriptive and meaningful that we can reference later. You can also select your quantity here. We've got 250, 500, and 1,000. And you'll notice right down here the price is changing as we change those quantities. If you have any special instructions, you can write a note to me in here, and that will come through with your job and the print shop will see it. So if there's anything weird or funky, any special requests, you can put those there. When you're all set with that, we can click Add to Cart. And this is just a disclaimer saying you've carefully checked your PDF proof, you're confident there's no spelling errors, you're confident all the phone numbers are right, and just click I agree. Then the job will go into your cart.